Desiree, you're my best friend and the love of my life. You're smart, beautiful, kind, and always willing to help me in any way you can. You make me laugh, you understand my faults, and always encourage me and support me in growing and being a better man. First time I looked in your eyes, I told myself, I will stop at nothing to make you mine.
Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true.
We have so many great memories together, too many to tell, but what they all have in common is you never take anything too seriously, fun-loving, goofy attitude that makes every day with you so special. I promise to put a smile on your face when you have tough days. I promise to remember to take all the wire nuts out of my pockets before doing laundry. I vow to always be there, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health. I look forward to starting our new life together, building our first home, starting a family, going on new adventures, growing old, and watching the sun go down every day with you by my side. Your I do will be the best gift I've ever received.
Jacob, I love you. We started our journey together almost 8 years ago. I remember after our first date, you brought me back here to the farm to fish in the pond, and one by one your family made their way down here to see us. And at first I was thinking, oh no, who brings someone to meet their family on the first date? But as we stood there, I thought to myself, wow, I feel at home. If you told me then that we'd be standing here celebrating our wedding, surrounded by all of our friends, family, and loved ones, today, I honestly never would have believed it. It is truly a dream come true. Our relationship has had cycles of peaks and valleys, and throughout them, I have always loved you deeply. My promise to you is to be faithful and supportive and to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I look forward to living life with you by my side.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. 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 And they say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. The weight's too heavy to carry. Remember this moment with me. I get to love you. I get to love you. I get to love you.
Damaged goods, I'm complicated. I sure do know how to tell a lie. Some people say I ain't worth saving. Sometimes I think they're right.
So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Tanisha. I'm Dez's matron of honor and best friend. And we go back to preschool, so a lot of years. And once we hit high school, we kind of made a deal to where she would help me with my English classes and I would help her with her science classes. So this is probably the first thing I've written on my own in years.
'Cause someone else would've walked away. Someone else would've never stayed. Sure as hell someone else would've left me a long, long time ago. Oh, someone else would worth their love. No one else could have loved me like you do. Thank God my someone's you.
First time Jake brought Des here, we were like, what has happened? Like, it was a total 360. We're like, okay, everyone be good. We have to keep this one. This is not one that he has brought around before. And hook, line, and sinker, somehow he reeled her in, and I can't believe you're here. Desiree, I love you so much. And I want to raise a glass to everyone that came, to celebrate this, to eat the food, and to have a great freaking time tonight.
Someone else would've called my bluff, saying I ain't even worth their love. No one else could've loved me like you do. Thank God my someone's you.
Yes, I did. To disco down and check out the show. Yeah, they were dancing and singing and moving to the grooving. And just when it hit me, somebody turned around and shouted, "Play that funky music, white boy. Play that funky music right. Play that funky music, white boy. Lay down the boogie and play that funky music till you die." Till you die? Yeah. I tried to understand this. I thought that they were out of their minds. How could I be so foolish? How could I? To not see I was the one behind. So still I kept on fighting. Well, losing every step of the way. I said I must go back there. I got to go back and check to see if things still the